Hello guys, this is Pawan from Ambidotronics. So today in this video tutorial I will show you how we can work on VS Code editor and we will run ESP IDF based example codes. As you already know, we had already started series based on ESP IDF where we have run codes on ESPIDF IDE. So in ESPIDF IDE documentation itself, they suggest two IDEs. One is this ESPIDF IDE and then another is VS Code extensions. So here we will use VS Code editor now to run to work on ESP IDF based example codes. So okay, let's get started. So first you need to download VS Code. So VS Code download, and here you just click on the first link, and here this Windows, click on this Windows installer, and here this setup will be downloaded. And once it is downloaded, you just need to install this thing. So what I will do, I'll just double click on this, and it will just ask things like lesson experiment on, and you have to accept this and click on next, and then create a desktop icon. You can create desktop icon, or otherwise you can just leave it like that only. Okay, so just click on next and install. So here it is installing. So it's still installing. So it's finished. So now we will just launch this VS Code. So here what we need to do, here these are the things you will get, and here you have to go to the extension part, and here you have to write ESPIDF, and here first ESPIDF IDF, this extension you have to install. So click on install, and here it is installing. So yes, when it will be successfully installed, you will see the this things will be stick to here. Now what you need to do, you need to go to view, like command palette, or you can say control, you can go to control shift P, and here the first thing, ESPIDF, configure ESPIDF extension. So you have to configure it first. So you'll just click on this. So it will just so one new interface will be opened after a few seconds. So here you can see, so this type of interface you will get in your system. So what you need to do, there are three options. So in ESPIDF, this is ESPIDF extension for Visual Studio Code. So welcome are installed. Before choosing the setup mode, choose a setup mode, select where to save these settings. So you can go to Express, Advanced, or use existing setup. So if you want to go to Express, then in Express you can just go to download server, GitHub, or any like ESPIDF. So you can choose GitHub and select ESPIDF version. So here you need to just select the version. So the latest version is this one, and if you want to use Arduino framework in your ESPIDF IDE code, then you have to choose this version, because in this version Arduino framework, Arduino component, Arduino as a component in ESP IDF is not supported in this version till now. So you can select this one, and then after selecting this, you can just install it. Click it install, and it will be installed in your system. So now I'll just again close this window, and again we'll go to view and command palette, and here again if we'll go to configure ESPIDF extension, and what will we see? We can also go to advanced. In advanced also you can just what you can do, you can just if you in your system already toolchain is already installed, so from here it will automatically search that toolchain and it will automatically start installing. So this thing also you can go, and I'll just go with the last option, which is existing setup, because I have already installed ESPIDF IDE. So in ESPIDF IDE, or I have already installed means like in my system already ESP IDF toolchain is already installed. So I'll just click on this. So this type of in this interface you will see that this type of framework you will see in your system. So as you can see here, it is they already there. So same way you will also find this if you have already installed ESPIDF IDE in your system. So it will automatically search your toolchain. So now I'll just click on this, and it will just install things. So installing Python virtual environment, these things already it is taking. Installing IDF prerequisites, and installing ESP IDF, and then this thing, and then now it is installing Python virtual environment for ESP IDF. So okay, I'll just fast forward this video for you, so that we will just come to the installation portion. So here, after successfully installing this thing, you will see this message in your window that ESPIDF IDF extension for Visual Studio Code, all settings have been configured. You can close this window. So we can close this window, and now what we can do, we can just run any example code. So we will just again go to view, command palette, and we will just show example projects. So here we will just see some example projects, it will come. So here you can see these projects are coming, ESPIDF version v 4.4.2 and get started, and then BLE, LCXX, Ethernet, I2C, SPI master, SPI slave, touch sensor, TWAI, UART, USB, protocols, HTTP server, HTTPS server. So these example codes you can see. So what I'll run here, I'll just run one hello world example. So I'll just click on hello world, click on create using this example hello world, and we will go to desktop, and we'll create new folder, and we'll give it name ESP IDF vscode projects. Okay, fine. And here after that we'll just select folder, and then our example code will be opened. Now here we will just click on yes, I trust the others, and we'll just see this example code main hello world main.c. So this is the example code you can see. Now we need to build this example code. So there are some icons down the line. Here you can see COM1 ESP32, this is selected. So we are using ESP32, and COM port, when we will just burn the code, then we will select the COM port. So here through this shortcut we can just build the project, we can flash it through shortcut also we can go to view, command palette, and we can just build your project. Click on this build your project. So it will start building. So found git, and initially for the first time, just like in ESPIDF IDE, it takes time. So in this IDE also it will take time, to install the things. So let it finish it for, so that it will just start. It is starting building. Now the numbers will come, like it will start to create object files of each and every file, like it is starting. Okay, so adding linker. So here you can see this thing 8, 9, 10, 11, this will go till 1033. So I'll just fast forward this video for you. So it's almost going to finish. And now after building the code, we will just flash it to our ESP32. So here you can see this these are the two terminals you will get. Here the console is there, all the logs and details, and here in the second you can see the memory thing and all, what memory remains in case of RAM and ROM. It will tell you each and everything. Now what will we do? We will just connect our ESP32 to our PC. So let's connect ESP32. So it's connected now, and we'll just click on this COM port, and COM3 is my internal COM port from my laptop. So definitely this COM4 will be the COM port of our ESP32. So I'll just click on it, and then I'll click on this hello world. And now we will just either we can go from ESP IDF flash device, or we can just go from view command palette, and this flash we can do using means like build flash and start a monitor on your device. This thing you're gonna build is already completed. So we'll just click on build ESPIDF flash UART your project. So here it will start building. So we'll just press the boot button in our case. So now after pressing the boot button, then it's just flashed successfully, and now we want to see the output of this thing. So we will just we'll go to terminal, and here you can see this is the ESPIDF monitor device. So we'll just click on this, and I think baud rate is not set properly. So we'll check what is the baud rate first. Then only we can able to think like what happened to. So what will we do? We will just see what is the baud rate of our system. So it should be 115200. Okay, so we can able to run this thing in a different serial monitor. We need to check the settings in vscode monitor and set the baud rate accordingly. We will do that in the next video tutorial. So that's it in this video. In the next video tutorial we will show you how we can add any other library respective of means like any other library based on Arduino or ESP32 core to this ESP32 module. So we will look on that thing in the next video tutorial. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.